we go.
Alright guys, I wanted to bring you a 40 to 130. We're going to slow down here. Second gear. No lift shift. And back down. On my way down to the beach. Just wanted to do that so everybody could see. And if you take a look, actually, the second part of the video I want to talk about, we're not doing too bad on gas mileage. It was at 22 or 23 before I did that pull there, but really not bad at all. You put it in 6th gear. See, we're doing 60 miles an hour now. 66, 1500, 1600 RPMs. So it actually gets pretty good gas mileage, surprisingly. And being a manual, it does not have the cylinder deactivation like the automatic cars do. So it just gets what it gets. But you can see, I mean, just like light throttle, I mean, it'll pull itself along 1500 RPMs, no problem. So absolutely loving it.